Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Just want to do a quick review on precious metals prices. And before we get started, the Swiss bank just released notice that they are going to apply negative rates to retail deposits. And basically that means that you can add the Swiss bank to the other six. I don't remember what they were, but they are growing. Countries and banks are moving to negative interest rates because we, as the reserve currency, is at 0% interest rate. And luckily we had a emergency Fed meeting today, and I imagine what they were talking about was rates to lend out to other institutions, the discount rate. And probably the hot topic at the Federal Reserve Governor's meeting was the fact that the Swiss bank is now going to go negative interest rates. I'm just speculating, but I guess that's what it might have been about. Also, we'll get to the S&P chart just shortly, but out of Zero Hedge today, S&P was warned Asia's largest commodity trader, it may be junked. And I guess the credit rating agencies are going to rate S&P as junk. And then moving on to the S&P futures chart, here is a weekly chart, and you can see the week has started slow. It's going to be a short week and not a very big bullish week, come to think of it, for historical reasons. It's a holiday week. Anyways, we have a lower high, another lower high, and what's striking me as this is going to go bearish very quickly is it went down, it recovered, and failed. This long green candle failed to hit the trend line. That means to me that it is weak, and if this bearish candle continues and ends the week bearish anywhere in here without any kind of thrust or exhaustion move towards the resistance line there, I think that this is going to go down. And as Zero Hedge is stating, someone was warned that the credit rating for the S&P is going to be junked. So moving on, the Dow is just the same thing. It's just a replica of the S&P. It's a derivative. And here's silver. And like I said, Sunday night they like to push this thing down, and it wasn't 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night when they started pushing this thing down. It came close to 1385, but it had the energy to make it all the way back up. Now this is a very nice day. This is a daily chart. This is a very nice daily chart candlestick. And what that looks to me as is almost a perfect hammer. And what a hammer does in candlesticks is it's knocking out the bottom. And fortunately, David Morgan also agrees that this might be a triple bottom if it can hold. You can see the 1, 2, and 3. If it can hold, and then next week, see, this week is creating this hammer. So far, so good. I think it's likely it's going to go down, but in all due respect, I do want to see this thing turn around so we can see another bull market, because those were exciting times. Other than that, gold, same thing, broke down and is still going down. My projection is around, I believe I was saying about 975. So here's the gold chart. This is a monthly chart, and you can see how it is broken down from the previous lows. And I'm thinking it's going to go right around in here to 975, 985, right in here. So I would look for a bounce there. Don't know if it's going to go further than that. If it doesn't reach that point, then it's a failure to reach the support, and that is a bullish signal. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Please like and share these videos. Let me know how I'm doing on the comments, and thanks for watching. See ya.